What did you start with? Tell us a bit.
I started with 920.
£920. And what have you got now?
Today it's 2045.
Perfect. Hi Darren, nice to finally meet you, mate.
You too, mate.
Well, get you on a call actually, because it is actually quite funny how we actually met. I live in Dubai and Daz was on holiday with his family and we met by the pool at what hotel was it? Was it the Royal?
Atlantis Royal, yeah.
Yeah, met him by the pool area that I was trading, and he didn't sign up for a week or two, did you? And then he signed up and we've never got rid of you since.
That's it.
How long have you been with the community now?
About 3 weeks, something like that.
3 weeks? Is that all you've been with us?
Something like that, yeah.
I thought it was a lot longer than that, if I'm honest. But
well, it might, maybe it is.
Yeah, I thought it was longer.
I was watching for a little while.
Yeah, I know you were watching for a while.
Demo and,
oh yeah, of course. So you've actually been trading.
Yeah, getting used to the app before I committed.
Well, that's a wise thing to do.
I've been trading before. I've done a little bit before, but I've just been using exchanges trading Bitcoin and
not like day trading and stuff.
No, well, yeah, not properly. No.
Right.
Yeah.
Sorry, whereabouts are you from in England?
Chesterfield.
Okay, but it's not far. I remember now. It's not far from where I was at.
I picked up on your accent around Paul. I was like, are you from Worksop or something?
Yeah, it does sound a bit Worksoppy, doesn't it? So yeah, what do you do for a full-time job?
So I'm an IT engineer.
Yeah.
Director of an IT company. So that fits in nicely because I've got screens in front of me most of the time.
Yeah.
So learned the hard way that I should only be trading when I've got screens in front of me and I'm not getting distracted by my job. And if I do get my, even if I don't get my quota for the day, I'll just not trade.
Okay, perfect.
I've got a load of rules now that I'm following that I wasn't following before on your advice. In the time I've been with you, I've learned loads.
Oh, that's really good to hear. Really good to know.
Doing now it seems to be working. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, well, it seems to be for me as well. Like watching that it's working. I just want to ask you a few questions first, then we'll go into a few bit more. So, what did you think at first? Was you dubious?
No, I've met you in real life, so
okay.
Yeah, not at all. I was, as soon as you said join us, I'm like, yeah, I want to do that.
And have you heard of like gold trading before this? Did you hear of?
I've not done any gold trading before. All I traded was crypto.
Okay. And how have you found it, like, changing from that? Have you found it easier? Because obviously we are a signals group. So obviously you trading crypto before, you was marking up your own charts, doing stuff like that. Yeah. Obviously all the hard work's done for you. We tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to close, when to not. How have you found it? I mean, do you think it's easy?
It's a lot less stressful, and it's good having confidence that you guys sending out the signals, and I've not got to worry about that. And most of the time, the signals are right, and we get to at least TP1. Yeah, we stop losses sometimes, but that's part of trading, isn't it?
Yeah, of course. And we'll have bad days. As you know, this week, we had a great week, but we had a really bad Wednesday. And this is what I try and tell our community, that we're going to have bad days. Like, we cannot not have bad days, but it's how you manage the bad days. We showed this week. Imagine joining on Wednesday and thinking, what is this group? We had a really bad day, but then followed it up with an amazing Thursday, amazing Friday. Probably Friday was the best day we've ever had.
Yeah, people just need to stick with it and they'll be good.
Okay, which brings me to my next point. What did you start with?
Tell us a bit. I started with 920.
£920. And what have you got now?
Today it's 2045.
Perfect. That is brilliant. And I know, just for the context for the video again, I know you changed your strategy. You're aiming for 2% a day, like I am on the Builder account, which people can follow on my highlight reel on Blakey Trades. But yeah, so you're doing something similar, aren't you?
I am, yeah. I was trying to do that on Bitcoin as well before I met you. I was trying to get 5% a day, but it just wasn't working.
It's a push. 5%'s a push. You can get it some days, but not as a minimum. Not as a minimum. I mean,
you just need to start with low lots and just build it. You don't need a lot to get the 2%.
No.
Brand in your account, you can use 0.01 lot sizes, and you can get 2% off a single one of those if you get on a decent run.
So you started with £920 and you are sat with now
2045.
2045. So you've basically doubled the account and more, which is brilliant. What do you think to our support team? Because I personally pride myself on making... The reason why I set up this group, is because I've been in groups and I've just seen how crap they were, and I wanted to make ours better. What do you... And I'm not putting words into your mouth. What do you think of the support team?
They're amazing, yeah. They respond to any queries straight away. They give you encouragement. If they see that you're doing something wrong, if you send a profit shot, and you can see that your lot sizes are wrong, they'll say, be careful, your lot sizes are too big, rein it in a bit. Just to give you the I don't know,
advice or help or whatever you need.
Just give you the help that you need, because we're not professional traders.
No, none of us are.
I'm an IT geek.
Yeah.
At the end of the day. So I need that help to help me with something.
And what would you say to anybody that looks at, because I have it all the time on my socials, on YouTube, everywhere I post, people saying it's a scam, you're scamming people, you're robbing people, it's all fake. What would you say? Because you're in the group.
It's definitely not. Just join and you'll see. You just join and you'll see.
That's the easiest thing to say to people. Well, Darren, I know you couldn't have long on the call, so I'm going to let you get off. Thank you for joining me, mate, and we will see you tomorrow.
No worries. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, pal.